1995 Lincoln Mark 8. Really nice car. You don't see these anymore. They're very rare. What we got done on it, it's got a converter there, stock converters there and there. Then he put a custom Y pipe on, not Y, sorry, X pipe somewhere else. And then he brought it to us. It was all the way back. We cut it off and put on boom pipes. That's what he wanted. He brought them with him. There and there. You just got to make sure you wrap these lines. I told him about them. They're fuel lines. I told him to make sure he wraps them. And he's going to paint them with high temp paint. So, because the gas tank is right there too. So, there they are. One on this side, one on this side. We will let you guys hear it in a second. I hope you guys like it. I think it looks phenomenal. What do you think, Tim? Does it look phenomenal?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there they are, boom pipes. This is what they look like out the side. That's height, and then that's height. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Hope you guys like it. It's the whole system we cut off right there. It had Flowmaster Super 10s on it. There and there, with some 4-inch tips. And there's all the pipe we cut off of it. Here. Lincoln Mark 8. You have a good wife when she brings the car to do this. As a present, right? Is it a present? Wow, that's awesome. This is your car? Oh, hell yeah. That's even better. Again? Lincoln Mark 8. That is so nice. I love it. Hope you guys like it too. We'll let you guys hear on the inside now. There she is. It's awesome. That sounds good. Tell us what you guys think and hit that like button, please.